Welcome to SSE Knowledge Center. In today's video, we will watch the mysterious inside of Earth. Explore the space. We have landed on the moon, but there is one place humans still barely understand: the inside of our own planet. We know more about the space than the Earth. In fact, humans have explored more of outer space than the deepest parts beneath Earth's surface. So what's really inside the Earth, and why we cannot reach the core?
We have explored the space, and now it's time to look into the Earth. We have landed the moon. Today we will discuss the mystery of the Earth inside. But there is one place humans still barely understand: the inside of our planet. In fact, humans have explored more of outer space than the deepest parts beneath the Earth's surface. So what's really inside the Earth, and why can't we reach the core? The deepest hole humans ever drilled is called Kola's Super Deep Bore Hole. Scientists drilled over 12 kilometers deep. Sounds are impressive, but Earth's radius is 6,300 kilometers. That means humans barely scratch the surface. The deeper they drill, the hotter and more unstable everything becomes. Earth has several layers: the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and finally the inner core. The outer core is made of molten metal. Temperatures may reach hotter than the surface of the sun. And at the center of the Earth exists a massive solid metal core under unimaginable pressure. But Earth's interior still hides many mysteries. Scientists have discovered strange underground vibrations, unexplained seismic zones, giant hidden structures, and massive underground oceans trapped deep inside the rock. The deeper humans go, the more impossible conditions become. Heat, extreme pressure, radiation, and unstable rock make deep exploration incredibly dangerous. Current technology simply cannot survive near Earth's core. Future drilling technology, AI system, and underground robotics may one day help humans explore deeper than ever before. But for now, most of our planet remains a mystery. So here is the question: what do you think is hidden deep inside the Earth? Comment below and subscribe for more mysteries, future technology, and unexplained discoveries. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe our channel.